Please subscribe for more videos.
Here's my ice cream cart. Who wants an ice cream? There's lots of different flavours and colours we can have. What colours can you see? Pink, green, yellow, brown, red, orange, white. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh.
Ice cream, who wants ice cream? Put a card on the till.
Let's put the frog on the till.
Frog's here. Ribbit, ribbit. Okay, Frog would like a cone with 2 scoops of strawberry ice cream, topped with whipped cream. Say it with me to help remember. Cone, strawberry, strawberry. Cone. Order up! It's time to pay!
Let's sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. With a cock-a-doodle-doo here and a cock-a-doodle-doo there. Here a cock-a-doodle-doo, there a cock-a-doodle-doo. Everywhere a cock-a-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Help me find the matching pictures. The blue dog. Where's the blue dog? There it is, the blue dog. Now we need the purple car. Which one's the purple car? There it is. We found the purple car. Let's find the green spider. Where's the green spider? Found it. Here's the green spider. Let's find the orange teddy. Where's the orange teddy? I can see it. The orange teddy. Where's the yellow rabbit? Which one is the yellow rabbit? This one. This is the yellow rabbit. We need the red flower. Can you see the red flower? That's right. The red flower. Great job, everyone.
It's Chick! Beep beep! Okay, Chick would like a cone with 1 scoop of chocolate ice cream, topped with a cherry. Say it with me to help remember. Cone, chocolate, cherry. Cone, chocolate, cherry. Delicious!
We've got a pop-up toy and they've got some numbers on it. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what colours are they? Number 1 is orange. Number 2 is green. Number 3 is red. Number 4 is blue. I wonder what's inside. Let's turn this orange wheel. Pop! It's a chicken. What noise does a chicken make? Cluck, cluck, cluck. Let's push number 2. It's a sheep. What noise does a sheep make? Bah. Let's see what's inside number 3. It's a horse. And what noise does a horse make? Neigh. Let's push number 4. It's a cow. Moo. The cow goes moo. Let's recap and then shut it. Open. The cow goes moo. The horse goes neigh. The sheep goes bah. The chicken goes cluck, cluck, cluck. Shall we open them again? Let's open them. The chicken popped out. Let's open the green one again. It's the sheep. Let's open the red one. It's the horse. Let's open the blue one. It's a cow. Now let's shut them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent work, everyone. What flavours are the ice creams? The brown one is chocolate. The yellow one is vanilla. The green one is mint. The pink one is strawberry. And what flavours are the sprinkles? The red one is cherry. The orange one is orange. The white one is whipped cream. What's your favourite flavour ice cream? My favourite ice cream is 1 cone,
Strawberry. Pink strawberry. Mint. Green and refreshing. Vanilla. Chocolate. Brown chocolate. Let's add some whipped cream.
This is my favourite ice cream. Strawberry, mint, vanilla, chocolate and whipped cream. Do we remember what colours they are? Pink, green, yellow, brown, white. Pink, green, yellow, brown, white. Fantastic, everybody. Time to eat my ice cream. Can you help me find the matching pictures? Let's start with the purple dog. Where's the matching picture to the purple dog? Here it is. Let's find the green car. Where's the picture of the green car? There it is. The green car. Now the blue spider. Who can see the blue spider? Found it. Here's the blue spider. How about the yellow teddy? Where's the yellow teddy? It's down here. Here's the yellow teddy. What about the red rabbit? Where's the red rabbit? It's up here. Here's the red rabbit. And last but not least, the orange flower. Can you see the orange flower? Right down here at the bottom. Here's the orange flower. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What colours are they? Blue, orange, green, pink, purple. What shape is this one? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. It's a square. What shape is this one? It has 1, 2, 3 sides. It's a triangle. What shape is this one? It's completely round. It's a circle. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh.
Please subscribe for more videos.